Here in this video I gonna show you why your Apple Watch showing Apple logo on screen only, instead of watch face. So your Apple Watch can't turn on and stuck on Apple logo like here on my Apple Watch. Don't miss to subscribe, like and share this video for more updates. First solution is not enough charging. Connect your Apple Watch at least 15 minutes on official Apple Watch charger. Also check power is on. Once you see Time and Charing Indicator on watch screen, press side button to move or watch your Apple Watch face like Eralier. The second solution is to reset your Apple Watch from your paired iPhone. Also remove from your iCloud account and disable Find My Apple Watch if it is enabled. Now pair Apple Watch again. This solution fixes a problem for all time. The third solution is to update your Apple Watch. Connect your Apple Watch with charger and start update and install Apple Watch Update from your iPhone Watch app. If the solution is worked for you, comment to me or share your problem that I can help with you. If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button and tap on bell icon to get the latest video notifications alert. Also be sure to follow on social media and we'll see in the next video.